Welcome in DV Techie. So today I will explain very basics topics and or basic very terminology of the database or about the miss data, right? So means if you are miss looking for a miss database administration or you know about the miss what is the database administration, so you should first clear about the what is the basics things like the data in database. So means if we talk about the data first, then data is what? Then if we call the data, forget about the data right now. So just uh, start with the means something else like alphabet. If we type something like temple, if we are typing the temple, right? And one word is typing something else. So temple has something is meaningful, right? Temple has something meaningful, and it's a collection of alphabet that have some meaningful, right? And this is the collection of alphabet also, but has not some meaningful. So first you should clear about means data is about something is meaningful. Okay. If something is not meaningful, that is not be the data. Okay. So okay. So I'll explain the basics component of the data means how data means the component generate as a data. Okay. So the component of data first is the alphabet. So I already told you means we type something word or meaningful word. Okay, if you're typing something meaningful, that is the alphabet. And what about the means words? So the collection of meaningful meaningful alphabets that call word. I already give an example like temple. Okay, and same the collection of word that is called the sentences. Means if the we have the collection of word that make the sentences. Okay, and now the collection of the sentences will make the page. Okay, the collection of sentences will make the page. In same way, the collection of page will make the file. The collection of page will make the file. Okay, and same way, the collection of file, the collection of file will make the records. Okay, so means all are interconnected each other, and now the data, then the collection of meaningful records that call the data. Okay, so I'll explain the means one by one means with the example. So if we talked about the example about, so I'll pick the example of any book. So the book, what has? If we talk about any, first start the alphabets, right? And alphabets make the word make the sentences, sentence make the pages make the file, and file make the record, and record make the data. So, but what about the data? The collection of meaningful record that called the data. Okay. Now, what is the database? Then the collection of meaningful data that called the database. So means data in database is everywhere, right? Maybe talk about the example of phone that have the means contact us, images, videos, and document, etc., etc. So all things are the data. And suppose any person, any company daily generate a lots of data. So data is very precious to all. So that the things I think hope you clear about the all things, all topics, all points related with the data and databases. So I think it will be clear about the means any confusion if you have. Thank you so much. Thanks for watching this video.